This tutorial will model how a teacher can enter in evidence and a reflection for a lesson. The very first step is to go to login.tscape.com. Make sure you're using Google Chrome to log in. I'm going to go ahead and log in as a teacher, and I'm going to ask for you to do the same. You can use your real logins for this. I'm just using a sample login to model. When we get to the welcome screen, we're going to select Reflect. You can select Reflect from the middle or from the very top here. Once you go into Reflect, we are going to go into the formal observation that we have been working in. Now, I have been working in formal observation 2, and you want to find the formal observation that you were just modeling with or practicing with from the evaluator's point of view. Once you get into your formal observation, you are going to find the section that actually shows the formal observation evidence and assessment, where the eye icon is. And I'm going to go ahead and start so that I can enter in my own notes and evidence. So this might include some information as to how I may have modified a lesson as a teacher. When you get to the screen here, go ahead and click on Notes and Evidence. And as you can see, the principal notes and evidence can be seen below. And this is under the heading for principal. So I can enter in my own notes and evidence here. Make sure that when you enter in your own notes and evidence that you also align each piece of evidence with the correct component. As you can see, I've gone ahead and aligned any notes and evidence that I've entered in as a teacher. Once you have completed entering your notes and evidence, you will see how they are listed separately under the teacher heading. So you have the teacher notes and evidence viewed at the top and the principal notes and evidence viewed at the bottom. The next piece would be to go ahead and add your domain for reflection. This should be completed as part of the live observation. So we're looking at 4A. We want to make sure that we are reflecting on the lesson and that that information is put in the notes and evidence. You may enter in your reflection in a separate Word document and cut and paste, or you can type it directly into this notes and evidence box. Remember that you can enlarge the box by simply clicking on the edge of the box and expanding. Once you have entered in your reflection or your data for 4A, make sure that you align it as well. Now we haven't submitted yet. Want to make sure that I have included all my domain for reflection information here in the notes and evidence. I can click on the observation summary to take a look and see any notes and evidence that was collected by both the teacher and the evaluator. You'll see here under 3C, I have some teacher notes and evidence. And under 4A, once I have completed entering in all my notes and evidence, and I have viewed it from the observation summary, I can then click on Submit. Once we click on Submit, we will get that confirmation screen. Go ahead and click on Submit. And once you have submitted it, you now can only view it. You have sent it off to your evaluator. You may not make any more changes to it. You may only view it. Simply select the View button, and you have access to the observation summary and the notes and evidence as well. But note, you can't make any changes because you've gone ahead and submitted. Now, one additional piece that you may want to do after you've entered in notes and evidence from your observation would be to include any artifacts for this particular lesson. To upload any artifacts, such as maybe student assessment, student sample work, you may have a scanned document, you may have taken some photos of some student work, that may be something that you want to include as an artifact. You will find this area here, post-observation artifacts submitted by the teacher. This area is where you can upload any artifacts that you have that you would want to share with the evaluator. You simply click on the artifacts by teacher, click on Upload Artifact, find the document on your computer or your flash drive or wherever it may be, and there you have it. You can download, you can use the pencil icon to make changes, and you can use the trash icon to remove. You may submit, you get a confirmation screen, and now you have submitted artifacts to your evaluator. You will notice that there is a separate area for administrators to upload any artifacts as well. Both of these are optional, but know that that is there for you if you choose to upload any artifacts. That completes this short tutorial on how a teacher may add evidence and reflection as well as post-observation artifacts.